Look at this paradise, the Golden Valley, the so-called Conca d'Oro. We are eating in this amazing location today. They are all busy waiting for the pasta.
Pasta dish, what we are going to expect?
Anelletti alla palermitana.
A pasta o funno che si chiama.
Com'è che la fai lei? A pasta.
A pasta o funno.
Noi facciamo la pasta. E finalmente Sindaco Stothard ci ha raggiunto.
I miei sono tutti inglesi, quindi in inglese a parlare.
Oh, you're right.
Or Sicilian or English.
You're right. So the Mayor Stothard finally joined us, and she is with our group finally. So let's go inside to take a look to see what they are doing. We are in Monreale, and after the lunch we will visit the beautiful, astonished cathedral of Monreale. So, andiamo.
Let's see.
So we had an amazing antipasto with the panelle, e crocchè,
The street food.
the street food, the bread with the spleen, and the carbonata, and the sun-dried tomatoes with the olives. And now the dishes are all clean, and here we are, waiting for the anelletti alla palermitana. Some they are still finishing the antipasto, the olives, and the sfincione. Salute! Salute, cin cin!
Ciao,
We
say
didn't
hello.
have a toast actually.
Say hello.
We didn't toast. Aspetta.
How do you feel?
We didn't toast together. So, salute! At the beginning of this tour. Salute!
Salute.
Thank you for being here from Omaha. Mayor, salute! Thank you for being here from Omaha at the beginning of this amazing tour. Hoping that we will be sister cities soon. I'm going closer to our mayor. Getting closer. My glass is empty. Are you enjoying Sicily so far?
Oh, we love Sicily so far, yes.
Which
And we'll be
city?
back.
You will be back?
Yes, we certainly will.
Which city have you visited so far?
Well, we've been in Rome, and we've traveled a lot. We've been in, you have to help me with the name.
Marsala? Trapani?
Yeah, we've been there.
Okay, nice. So on the
But every
west
place
coast.
we've been has been lovely and beautiful, and we just can't wait to see the whole island.
And we can't wait to show it to you. We are honored to have you here.
Thank you.
Thank you to be here.
Thank you.
And I am also the great pleasure to be here with my dear friend Sherry for the first time. It's unbelievable. You are live with me.
I'm so excited to be here with my sister Rosella that I've known for 4 years but never have met, so I'm very excited to be here.
We have been planning this trip for
At least since 2019, but I've been following Rosella and Gianca at least since 2018. And it's been wonderful.
Now the dream came true. Thanks to Sherry and thanks to all these beautiful people. Thanks also to Eleonora.
Well, the way we
Thanks
got
to the
connected
mayor.
was thanks
How
to
we met.
you.
We met through you.
Together, look at this. This is the result.
We're together for real. Well, thanks Sherry following Rosella, and Rosella, she had the chance to meet me, and then I meet Sherry in this way. So thank you.
Destiny. We can say destiny.
Destiny. Yes, it was destiny. We have a big family here. We have 46 people.
In this group. Remind them.
We have a Teresa's group with 28. And then I want to take advantage to say hi to all the others that are traveling on their own. Mike Di Giacomo and family, and then David Randall, and then Donny Di George, and then Carmelita Della Guardia and family, Lita and Daniela, the artist of the mural in Orsi Bakery. Oh my, we are a big family. I'm forgetting someone, I'm sure.
They will forgive you.
You will forgive me. And we will meet all in Carlentini. So write us and I will share with you the program so we will have activities all together. Yes, stay tuned.
And let's see what the others are doing, if they are drink the Sicilian wine, the red Sicilian wine.
Well, the glasses are full. I don't know. After they will ask you to take a nap, but we can't because we have to visit the church. So we will try to take a nap later.
So, see you later. Enjoy your lunch.
Yes. La pasta,
Dove sono gli anelletti che vi vogliamo far vedere? Anelletti.
Possiamo, sì. Così li facciamo vedere.
Say hello, say hello.
What's going on over here? Ciao.
How are you?
The antipasto? I love the panelle, very crunchy. The little flat, so good. See, and then let's see next table. Here we have.
Ciao, ciao. Say hello. How are you? Does the wine working well?
You need a refill.
No, it's fine. I'm not
driving,
drinking.
you're just talking.
No, I'm not drinking wine. Oh,
Ciao, ciao. How are you?
Enjoy. Now the bus is coming. And then
Ciao,
we have
ciao.
the Santa Lucia Committee family. Yes, and sons and daughter of Italy family.
And as you can see, we have chosen this wonderful location to enjoy a traditional Sicilian lunch. So, as always, we try to combine the best food with the best location. So, this is one of our features. And of course, I would like to remind you our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com.
Come. Look at here.
Come with me. If you want to book your vacation. Qua. Oh
Look at
my
this
God.
pasta. Wow.
Let me switch again.
Let's follow the Anelletti. Wow. This is the so-called little rings.
So please explain them what they are.
The little rings, Palermitana style.
Enjoy your lunch.
We are going to enjoy it. That's so good. That's how we say in Sicilian.
So, of course, when you come to Sicily, you need to eat because, as always, we try to host you with the best Sicilian food. And again, I would like to share with you this beautiful view. And if you want to join a tour of Sicily with us, we can plan for you a custom private tour, or you can join our Sicily Lovers Tour in September. There are still some few spots available. The first edition in May-June is already sold out, but you are lucky enough to join the second edition in September, because normally we plan our Sicily Lovers Tour, our group tour, dedicated to 20 Sicily lovers, once a year. But this time we were sold out in a month, and so we decided to give you the opportunity to enjoy Sicily with us through a second edition. So the second edition of the Sicily Lovers Tour is waiting for you. bestthingstodoinsicily.com is our website, and what I have to tell you. I love you. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your love, for your positive vibes. And I would like to end this live broadcast with this beautiful view. Gianca is not with me because he is following the other group, but we will meet again in Carlentini. So only a few days for me to breathe without Gianca. Ciao, dear Sicily lovers. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. And this is a beautiful view from Monreale, in the province of Palermo. And in Monreale you can visit one of the Sicilian highlights, a masterpiece, a UNESCO site, the cathedral.
And then he was on the golf course, and they thought.
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers. See you soon.